It's Madi and Madison with Spectrum Art Creations. Thank you so much for stopping in and joining us for a super quick video. So we are wondering, what is this box full of really pretty ephemera sitting on the table? Well, it is
I'm
for...
sorry that we are very tired at the moment.
Yes, we are sorry that we are very tired at the moment. So if I ramble or if I talk too fast, you will forgive me if I lose my words, because yes, it's very late here and we are burning the candle at both ends. We are heading out of town. So, but this is for the Dear Julie Julie 5-day Easter Challenge 2022. It's a challenge that she has got going on in her Facebook group and in her YouTube. The cool thing is we are all using the hashtag for it. So if you want to see other videos and see what other folks have created for this, just make sure you use the hashtag and see what else is out there, right? But the challenge was to create 5 things using her digital kit. And we decided to participate. Now, the way it's originally intended to be done is you're supposed to create something on the 25th, one thing, right? Then another one on the 30th of March, then on April 1st, April 6th, and April 8th. Okay, so those are the 5 days, and you're supposed to create 5 things by those days and post them. Now on the 13th of April, you're supposed to come back and do a wrap up of all the things that you have created, all 5 things. Well, we're going to bend the rules just a little bit. We're going to do it a little bit differently because we are heading out of town. So Madison and I just created 5 projects, knocked them out of the park kind of quick, just so that we could meet the challenge and then head out of town. So we're going to do everything combined, all 5 days and the wrap up and the video, all of it all together, because again, we are on time constraints. So without further ado, let me show you what we've created using the beautiful digital kits that Julie put out there. So this is our first project that we made. It is a double tag pocket where you can actually have these 2 really cool little tags. These are all part of the kit. And we just popped them up on 3D dots. I try to stay really, like Madison and I said, okay, you know what, our goal is to use as much of the digital as we possibly can and add as little as possible. So you'll notice that we didn't necessarily like add a lot of lace, or here's just with this little metal piece, but the rest is all part of the kit. We did use some like liquid pearls, and we did use some eyelets here, of course. So little tiny things, and some distressing obviously, but all of these are from the kit. Okay, so there's that's project number 1. For project number 2, we decided to do a super large jumbo tag, and again, we've used all the elements from the digital kit. We only printed it once, so you can see there's quite a bit in there. We made this into a little pocket by layering it, added a little tag, and it's just a little, it's just a little writing spot there where you could add some sentiments. And then over here, this was actually part of the kit as well. It's a little trifold for you to write in. Isn't that cute? And her digital is available in her store if you want to go check that out and get it. I highly recommend it because it's just really pretty. And in the back, we didn't want to leave it plain, so we just added again a pocket from the ephemera that was included in the kit, as well as stuck some other large journaling cards that were also included in the digital. Okay, so, and we added just a little key as an accent. So that's project number 2. Yes, honey?
I'm sorry if you guys hear me yawning.
Oh, yes. Poor thing. She's falling asleep on the chair. Then the next project that we decided to do was to create this oversized jumbo pocket as well. This is actually from the fairy kit class that we taught this past week. So I figured, hey, we've already got the templates out. We might as well use them. And so we made this super fun. And I'll have some still photos maybe at the end or maybe not. I'm not going to do a lot of editing on this video, unfortunately. Time constraints again. We just did a little pocket here at the bottom. And of course it's got a huge pocket there, which we still haven't figured out. Maybe a little book or something will go in there. Okay, so that's number 2, and we left the back plain on that one. Then that's number 3, excuse me. For number 4, we decided to use a window envelope, and we used, and the inspiration behind that was this gorgeousness was included in the digital. So we added that, a little metal accent here for some alchemy waxes, a butterfly that was part of the digital, some liquid pearls again, and then learn to fly, because you know they're birdies that are, you know, or chicks that are just starting to hatch and coming into the world, right? And then we just covered the back because this was a decoupage napkin, just to kind of make it a little cleaner on the back. So that was number 4. And then we were going to stop there, actually. And I had announced that, hey, we got 4 out of 5 done, and that's as far as we're going to get during our live sale on Saturday. But then we were sitting here and we had so much stuff left over, and I'm like, you know what, Madison, just one more, but let's make it super quick. So we did. We actually grabbed some journaling cards and decoupaged, again, some cute little images that were included in the digital kit, and made ourselves a cute little book. Yeah. So these are actual file folders that were included, and all we did was tea stain them and dye them. See the tea staining there on the back, kind of a little splattered, give it some vintage look. The tabs were also part of the kit, so we used them as well as some of the images. So we have Easter. Here's a little pocket with the egg that was also included in the digital, this as well. Blessings as another tab, and then springtime, lots of journaling opportunities on here. Another one of those cute little tags. This one matches that one. Isn't that adorable? And again, we used another egg. This one is like a little pink. Wow, these lights are kind of harsh. I'm sorry guys, it's late. I wonder if I can turn down the lights a little bit. Did that help any? I hope. And then again, one of those cute little mini file folders, tea stained again with a little paper clip. So super cute. Just a tiny little booklet there that we can insert into even one of these pockets, right? Oh, look, it would fit in here. So we can combine number, I guess, 3 or 4 or 5 together and insert, look, a whole little journal in there. So there, So those are the 5 things that we've created for the challenge. Again, just a little bit of ideas. Now, believe it or not, we still have all of this left over. We probably could have done like 10 more projects, right? This is a little envelope. This is a piece of the digital papers. And I'll put a link down below to her Etsy store and her digitals, because I mean, look how cute. Here's what I was thinking. That is a good question. I'm glad you asked. What do you think if we do a giveaway? If we actually, we can't give away the digital, obviously, but I can do a giveaway for my prints, right? For these.
Do you think?
Yeah. So if you guys leave a comment down below, we will, look, here's another one of those cute little file folders. Look how much ephemera we still have. This one isn't tea stained yet.
Don't give away the big papers.
Those, okay, I won't. How about these? Just all these leftover prints. So if you, oh yeah, look how beautiful these are. Oh, look at that. So pretty. So if you guys will leave a comment down below, we will do a giveaway, and we will put these all in an envelope for you and send all these beautiful goodies out to you. Look at this hat. We went back and forth, Madison and I, trying to find a way to use that hat because I was in love with it. But alas, there you go. Here's another egg. See? So cute. It's like a little speckled egg.
I would like to hear a comment from you guys.
Yes, please leave a comment down below. Let us know which one was your favorite. Let us know if you went and checked out her store, if you are inspired to create something, if there was any kind of ideas that you had that you would have done differently. And we will be doing a giveaway for the remainder of that, so you guys can create something as well. But again, please make sure you guys like, subscribe, check out her digital. Hopefully jump in the fun, because there's still time, guys. You still have what, a whole week, 5 days to jump in. You could definitely get it done and participate. And then of course you have until the 13th to wrap it up. All right. Thank you so much for stopping in. We hope to see you guys very soon. Oh, be sure to subscribe, because we're going to be going live from Creativations 2022. So be on the lookout for us to pop in live on our channel. That's right. Talk to you guys soon.
Good night.
Bye. Good night.